If you've been trying to make your first sale online and nothing seems to work, then this video is exactly what you need, because most beginners completely overcomplicate affiliate marketing without realizing that success doesn't come from fancy tech, complicated funnels, or endless content creation. It comes from following a simple, proven system that removes the overwhelm and gives you a clear path toward earning consistent commissions, even if you have zero experience. Today, I'm going to break down the exact beginner-friendly method revealed inside The Affiliate's Guide to Earning Without Tech, Content, or Hassle, a free guide designed specifically for people who want to earn online but don't want to show their face, make videos, build websites, or deal with exhausting tech setups. This guide explains the fastest way to start generating affiliate profits using a streamlined, faceless strategy that eliminates the usual obstacles most new affiliates face and instead focuses on what actually works in the real world. You'll learn how beginners can start earning without needing a personal brand, without being on camera, and without posting daily content, because the system is built around automation, simplified steps, and high-converting methods that even complete newbies can use from day one. It also shows how you can bypass funnel builders, landing pages, website hosting fees, and advanced tools by using a more direct, results-driven approach where the heavy lifting is already done for you, allowing you to focus on plugging into the system instead of creating everything from scratch. For anyone who feels frustrated with information overload, this guide breaks down what matters, what doesn't, and how to avoid the mistakes that keep most beginners stuck for months. It teaches you how to leverage faceless affiliate marketing methods that allow you to earn quietly in the background without needing to show your identity or maintain a constant social media presence. You'll also discover the core system behind long-term affiliate success, how to select offers that convert, how to position yourself the right way even as a beginner, how to attract the right audience without creating content, and how to build a simple workflow that leads to predictable commissions. This isn't about hype or shortcuts, it's about using a beginner-ready method developed to remove confusion and provide a clear, practical roadmap. If you're tired of guessing, tired of trying random strategies, and tired of seeing no progress despite putting in the effort, then this breakdown will show you what actually produces results. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why so many beginners fail, what successful affiliates do differently, and how you can start implementing a complete system that works even if you're starting with no tech skills, no marketing knowledge, and no confidence. This is your moment to simplify, learn the right method, and finally start moving toward real online income.